Alright, so we're back at this abandoned property. This is my mate, this is James. Go check him out. I'll put his link to his YouTube down in the description. He does all sorts of stuff. And we're out here again today because we found the iPods, what was it, last week or something like that?
Yeah, about last week.
And we've come back out to see what else we can find, and we'll give you a full house tour inside of here. There's, it's been abandoned for a fair few years and there's bees in there like everywhere and it's just a bit messy and stuff. So we'll go in, have a look, and then just take a little bit of a look around and see what we can find around here. It's sort of located in the middle of nowhere, so there's plenty of you know, land and stuff around, so we'll take a look at some interesting stuff. And yeah, but first we're going to go into the house and give that a look.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're now at the back, which is where we're going to go in. Alright, so we're going to crawl through this overgrown bush at the front here. Look at that hole in the veranda there.
OH&S.
Yeah. You can see all the cobwebs and old shoes down here that have been there for a long time. Alright, coming in. See what we got.
A fridge.
Weed killer. That's always good.
The old fridge.
Yep. Nothing in it. And the hot water service. Nothing too interesting there.
No, don't worry, we do have a toilet here.
Yep. The old toilet.
Yeah. I was going to have a look down here.
Alright, well I'm going to have a look in the kitchen, mate.
Yep.
Alright, well I don't know where James has gone. He's gone to look at some stuff. I'm going to take a look at this kitchen, see what I can see in here, and just have a look at the overall condition of it and everything. See how it stacks up with the rest of the house. So coming over here, we've got some cupboards. Looks to be some pamphlets in here, and street maps. Got a candle, got some furniture polish, insect repellent, masks, you need those in here. And this last one, nothing much. There's a bug there. Heart attack, what to do, some medical information. Doesn't look to be anything up in these top cabinets. If you have a look down here, we've got cutlery and stuff, which I'm going to touch. Screwdrivers in there. This last one. A few more screwdrivers in there. We've also got a box full of what looks to be brand new techs. And these things, which I think are staples, I'm not really sure. Having a look over here, we've got the sink, which looks like it's been in better shape. Looks like someone's punched a hole in the wall. Some of the tiles are falling out. There's mold. This place has definitely seen better days. And anyway, there's not much more out here. Obviously, you've got the cupboards and stuff. And if I take a look over here, we've got the stoves. So if we come over here, there's our stoves. So this is a quick 360 of the room. Not much in here. Alright, I'm going to go find James so we can take a look at the rest of the place. Hey James, where are you, mate? In the lounge, I'm guessing, by the sounds of that. Having a seat, there we go. Alright, we're going to have a look at the rest of the house with James tagging along and pointing out some stuff. Here we go.
Let's go. Hello.
There is something on the floor. Let's have a look at that. Look at that. I don't know what that is, but it looks like something's died or something there. That's not nice.
Like possum had a... There you go.
Yeah. And this looks to be the lounge room.
Oh. Used to be civilised in here.
Yeah, we've got the old TV.
Chucking the old PlayStation.
Old fireplace. Bookshop that's got some weird angle on it. Some smashed glass.
Yeah.
Oh, and we've got some more. The first sign of bees has arisen. Absolutely everywhere in this.
Possum and rat poo.
Yeah, there's poo everywhere.
Yeah, the DIY skylight here.
Yeah. Sealed here, rotting in the windowsill. And if we have a look up at the roof, it's a giant hole, and you can see all the way out the outside world. So
just an unfinished skylight.
yeah, lots of cracking in the ceiling. Even got some tape around the light.
Oh, duct tape.
Yeah.
There we go. You got a mirror.
Yeah. There's a mirror. G'day. We've got February 2012, which would probably be around the time that this place was abandoned.
Oh, I'd say so, yeah.
Given that's on the calendar. So that's our date. What's that in years? It's like
About 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah, 7 years actually. 7 years like next week. Oh, get on with that.
Oh, that hits you really, really bad.
Like a truck.
There's still bees flying around too. Holes in the roof.
Woo!
It's really hot in here too. And look at all those dead bees. That's insane. They're everywhere. There's massive piles of them all over the walls. That's bad. Oh, close that. Oh, that makes me want to throw up. That's so bad.
Just the hotness and the dead bees.
Yeah, it's not good.
Smell and get ya. Oh, here's the room not filled with dead bees.
Yeah, there's nothing really in this room.
No.
Still got the holes in the roof.
Looks like a possum came down on that.
Yeah, that's
Cobwebs everywhere.
looking a bit. There you go. Got another bedroom in here. Got the vacuum that someone forgot to take with them. And guess what I've just found in this cupboard? A boomerang. It doesn't get more Australian than this. This is great. Alright, what else do we have in this place?
Yeah, we got the old bathroom there. You fancy a bath? Not sure if I won't.
Ooh, what even is that? It's like mud and
Mud, sludge and mould all joined together.
all kinds of stuff. That's not nice. That is nasty.
Someone did a great job at building the plastering.
And the plumbing, yeah. That's pretty crusty. Still got the old soap pumps in here, just in case you need to wash your hands. Must be a bird's nest out there. Can't really see it though. Cupboard in here. There we go, there I am. I think that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not a massive place or anything. Out that door's just the front of the house where we started, but once you lock it we can't get through and there's giant cobwebs and spiders out there, so we're going to just go out the back, which is the way we came, and take a look around everywhere else. And, yeah. And that's the view outside. Alright, let's... Well, there is a wire there that you could cut your head off with. Alright, so where to now?
Out the back, I reckon.
Alright, let's go take a look, see what we can find. Alright, so we're just out the back here. Lots of old bits of wood and plants and things. Kicking about, we've got to watch out for snakes. You don't want to get bitten by anything. In this shed there's an old 1981, I believe, Rover. There you go, there's the engine of it. Needs a bit of work to run, I reckon.
Yeah, we'll get that going soon, I reckon.
Yeah, I reckon they'll be over on your channel, I believe.
That will be.
Alright, check that out. To come. Alright, so we're at the front of the shed there. There's an old fridge. Looks like some machinery. So any of these work, mate, or?
Yeah, pretty sure that one there works. We normally have it out once a year.
Oh yeah.
Not sure about that one though. That one might work.
Looks a bit dug into the ground there.
Yeah.
So over here at the bench, power is still connected to the shed anyway. You can see mass amount of tools and junk all over the bench. You wouldn't be getting much work done out here.
Not fair to clean up first.
No.
tractor wheel braces.
That's massive.
Bit bigger than your average car.
Yeah, I reckon. Alright, I guess we'll take a look somewhere else. Oh, here's an angle grinder.
Oh.
Jeez, that looks busted.
Pre-snap disc.
Yeah,
What
that's
else could you ask?
not looking too good.
It's alright.
There's these tub things out here. Lots of random things in here. Lots of tin and stuff. Is that a toaster? Very early TV. All hand soldered. There's the front of it. What have you found?
Oh, grease gun, I think.
Alright, so we actually came in here about 6-8 months ago, and in this shed that's behind me we found some interesting stuff, lots of old computer things. I also found a back of an old iPod Classic, and basically we're going to have a look and see if we can find the rest of the iPod, because your dad was with us and he was in a bit of a hurry, so we never actually got a full look around the place, and that's why we've come back today. So now the first thing I can notice is there used to be walls on that shed, hey? That's
It's got blown down a bit.
seems to be this Dell monitor, but that's a bit cooked, so that's no good. Some springs from cars, a lot of household crap really, but there's a old floppy disk that has been through a fire or something. That's not good. And a hard drive. Oh, that's also what happened. I found a hard drive. It was I believe it was a 60 or an 80 gig IDE drive, and it was completely rusted, and I actually got it to work. And it obviously been left out in the rain and everything, but this one looks very dented and beaten up, so that wouldn't work. Hey, I reckon that's the rest of that iPod. There's no back on it, so that would explain that. It doesn't actually look too bad. I mean, it's got the corrosion and stuff, but it's not. The board seems okay, so we're gonna try and get this one going, because I got the back of it at home. No battery. Oh, actually, no, I do have the battery. I don't have the hard drive, so maybe that's here too. I'm not too sure. Hey, look at that! There's another iPod. I think this place is filled with iPods, but this one has definitely gone through the fire. It's never good. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll take these home and take a look inside of them, see what they look like. Hey.
Yeah, sounds good.
Power cords that someone has joined together.
Oh.
That is what you call dodgy right there. Whatever that is, it's all melted and kind of cool. Oh man, I think this is like an old radio. Oh. Like an old valve radio or something, because it's got, well, that looks like to be something to do with an old valve radio. So maybe not, it's got a circuit board, but it could have been like 50s or something. But it's a little far gone. It's definitely gone through that fire.
Yeah.
I'll give you a quick look in this shed over here. We'll see what we got. We have been in here before. Nothing really in here. It's more just an empty shed, lots of wood and stuff. Kind of fallen down too, so it's probably not very safe to go up in there. See what we got. We've got a Star Key keyboard. We've got a HP keyboard. Is this wireless? It's a wireless keyboard.
HP charger.
Windows 95 style keyboard from Cherry. Bunch of old power cables. I've got loads of those though. So cordless mouse, and it's got a mouse ball in it. That would be very old. That'd be a very early wireless mouse. That's cool.
On the cheap.
Yeah, man. Let's have a look. Power. My guess is it doesn't work because they've taken it out. Alright, so I've put together a short little montage of some things I found outside. So I'm going to play that for you now, and I'll be right back. So that's it. I hope you guys liked the tour around the abandoned house and property. And on that note, this has been a Hugh Jeffries video. Make sure to check out James. I'll leave his YouTube linked down below. And thanks to him for letting me go around and take some video of this. Also, make sure to check out my social media. I'm going to be posting some pictures up of some stuff around here that I showed off in the video, as well as some other things. And that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys next time.
See you later.